Hey there, travel lovers. I'm your guide to discovering the most tantalizing hidden travel gems of 2024. Ready to explore places less traveled and create memories that will last a lifetime? Let's dive right in. First up, we're venturing off the beaten path to the mystical landscapes of Georgia. Nestled between Europe and Asia, this country is a tapestry of ancient history and breathtaking nature. Imagine sipping unique wines in Kakheti or trekking through the lush trails of the Caucasus Mountains. Georgia is your go-to for an authentic, vibrant adventure. Next, let's catch a breeze on the serene islands of São Tomé and Príncipe, floating in the Gulf of Guinea. These islands are a paradise of chocolate, exotic birds, and untouched beaches. It's the perfect spot for those who seek tranquility mixed with a hint of adventure. Dive into clear waters or wander through cocoa plantations. Truly, a hidden jewel waiting to be discovered. Moving on, have you ever thought of visiting the Sultanate of Oman? From the dunes of the Wahiba Sands to the cool heights of Jebel Akhdar, Oman offers a striking contrast of landscapes and culture. Explore ancient forts, bask in lush wadis, and marvel at the modern architecture of Muscat. Oman is a blend of old and new, a treasure trove for any intrepid traveler. And lastly, let's not overlook the vibrant spirit of Colombia's Pacific coast. Away from the crowded hotspots, this region thrives with rich biodiversity and cultural heritage. Dance to the rhythm of marimba, watch humpback whales glide through the ocean, and taste the richness of Afro-Colombian cuisine. Colombia's Pacific coast is an exhilarating escape into nature and culture. I hope this sparks your wanderlust. These hidden travel gems of 2024 are not just destinations. They are gateways to experiences and stories that you'll cherish forever. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and set off on a journey that's anything but ordinary. See you out there in the great wide somewhere.